Hey everyone, welcome back into tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to update information on your Uber. So in this I will guide you one of the easiest way and step by step process to update your account information on your Uber. So let's get start our video. First of all, open your Uber application on your mobile device, and before that make sure you are logged in that. So now you can see at the down there are four options. In that you have to select for account, so tap on that. So after going in account, now you can scroll it. In that you can see here manage Uber account, so in that you have to tap on that. Yeah, now you can see here that at the top different options are there like overview, account info, security and others. So in that you can see second option, account info, so tap on that. Now you can see here as your name, so click on that name option. If you want to update your name, you can give update your name. So after giving this, then you can see here update option, so tap on that, then name will be updated. Now you can see your name is updated, and if you want to change your phone number also, you can update from here after giving your phone number, and then you can see here update option, so tap on that and you can change your phone number if you want to change, and you can change your email ID, whatever you want, you can, in that way you can change ID and all. So in this way you can update your account information on your Uber. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.